Very good. We are ready for contestant number 18. From Pasco, Washington, under the direction of Lucy Henkel, Rolling Hills Chorus.
Till night, a good day from morning till night.